I have an lg.dryer dlex3250r saying D90 flow sense light is on. We have replaced the complete duct system and that is not it. Also replaced the thermistor. It is still not completely drying towels, shorts or blankets. It runs its cycle and then stops and then it beeps the D90 code. What can I do next?
What happened just before your LG dryer displayed this message?
It ran a complete cycle and cut off.
How long has this been going on with your LG dryer? What have you tried so far?
For couple months. Replaced complete dryer vent, cleaned out vent trap, checked airflow coming through vent and even without vent hose on.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
Replace the thermistor also.
That D90 means there is still an airflow problem. I would super clean your filter with an old toothbrush, liquid dishwasher detergent, and hot water. You should peer in where the filter goes to see if it's full of lint.
We have done that and ran a long lint brush inside. We have reached inside all the way to fan and there is no obstruction. We have taken out filter and cleaned it as you described. There is no lint anywhere. Is there a reset or a way to bypass flow sense? There is no lint or airflow restriction, so what could be throwing this code off?
Nice job. Could the vent outlet outside the house be clogged or obstructed?
Nope, replaced it as well. It is working very good and you can feel good strong warm air coming from it when drying is running.
Thank you. Could be your heating element coil is grounded against the element housing, making it run at full blast and overheating. I would replace the element.
I guess it could be, but it seems if it were that it would get really hot, would it not? Could that just happen, get out of position, at random? It has no problems drying shirts or the undergarments load, just towels, sheets, jeans/denim shorts and blankets, but also the items do not seem to feel as hot as they once did coming out of dryer. It's like it is not sensing the clothes are still a little damp when cycle completes. We put ohmmeter on elements and it read 20 to 20 and then combo of 40. So I would not think it's element, would you? Other than element, what else would not be allowing it to get as hot? Seems problem is with temperature, but can't figure out what to replace or try next.
Nice job. Can you reach in the drum area behind where the filter sits to clean the moisture sensor with alcohol wipes?
I will try this when I get home today. Took out sensor and cleaned it with alcohol, and yes, there was a bunch of lint under the metal probes. Fingers crossed that this is it. We did the test checking the sensor and flow sense bars on front of machine did go up, so we shall see.
Many times the dryer anti-static sheets coat the metal sensors with a waxy substance, and that blocks the moisture sensor from working.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.